Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are exploring Kamakura. The first stop on today's adventure is the Okokuji temple. Please forgive my pronunciation. The Okokuji temple is approximately 10 to 15 minutes by bus from the Kamakura train station. Here you can see a small temple, beautiful garden, and of course the small bamboo grove which has approximately 200 bamboo stalks. These can be found at the back of the main temple hall. Paid 900 yen each for admission, which included 600 yen for matcha tea. So if you're interested in tasting matcha, which is like green tea, Japanese green tea, then you can definitely give it a try here. I'm actually not a green tea type of fan, but I must admit that I gave this a try and it tasted really good. So thumbs up to this lady for making this awesome matcha tea. They also gave us 2 pieces of cookies. I guess I can't say cookies. They were very sweet. Not really my cup of tea, but it complemented the matcha tea. So it was okay, but just too sweet. So this is my friend.
Hi, I'm Lisonia.
We just left the bamboo place. I forgot the name. What's the name of it?
Hokokuji.
Yes, that place. So how was it?
It was lovely. It was so beautiful, so peaceful. There you go.
Yes, yeah, it was pretty good. So on to our next place, which is the
Great Buddha.
Yes. All right. So the Great Buddha is like the #1 tourist spot in Kamakura. This Buddha statue is actually the second largest statue in Japan. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but I never expected the Buddha statue to be so huge. It's actually very, very big in person. Well, in my opinion, it's very big. Buddha's sandals, I guess. I was told that before Corona, persons were able to go inside of the Great Buddha, but because of the coronavirus, they actually stopped that from happening. There's a squirrel in the tree. Where did it go?
This is the weirdest country I've ever seen.
Have you ever watched one of those movies where the trees can actually move and talk? This tree actually reminds me of one of those trees. Be careful how you talk about the tree. And our next stop is the Komachi Dori street. Here you can see many different types of stores and shops. For example, you can see souvenir stores, you can see restaurants, you can see cafes, both animal cafe and food cafe. there are also street foods along this street. Leave it up to Japan to make even umbrellas look cute. Kawaii! So we decided to eat lunch at this place, this burger joint, and I must say that this is hands down the best tasting burger I have had in Japan, and I'm not exaggerating. Like, honestly guys, if you are ever in Kamakura, definitely check out this place, Rooftop. Okay, it's nice. When they said outside, I thought it was more open. The lighting is not so good. We ordered burgers. It says like a burger joint.
Cheers.
Kampai. Food is here. Ooh, this is juicy.
So much cheese.
Next, we went to a dog cafe, and animal cafes are very popular in Japan. This is my very first time going to an animal cafe actually. We stopped at a Shiba cafe. Shibas are native dogs to Japan.
What are you doing?
He's smiling you. Ah, they're cute. They love you.
Hi. Because you're so handsome. You're so handsome. What? Do I smell like food? Is he helping me? Is he helping me? He's helping me.
Hi. You better stand up.
Is he helping me? What is this? This guy is in love with me. What are you doing? How'd you get this? This is posing. It's like hamburger in my Jimmy.
Hi.
Girls. They run away. Look at, is she pregnant?
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah. You are?
Ooh. Hi guys.
Wait.
Ooh. Wait, take that one off. That one. Whoa, can you go? Can you come for this one? Yeah. And this is why I'm a cat person. I definitely have to wash my coat when I go home. You guys must be wondering, why the hell did I allow a dog to be laying on my coat? Alright, here's what happened. Okay, so I was there minding my business when one of the dogs decided to go inside of my coat. So I had to remove my coat, but it's all good. When I got home, I threw all my clothes in the washing machine and I washed it. I thoroughly washed my clothes, so yeah, it's okay. I just hope she doesn't pee on my clothes, but then I'll do. Hey! Look at that. Then we decided to pick up some masks because, as you know, mask is life right now. I got the black one because I need some black mask. And our final stop was this bar, Rycom. And this is actually a bar that is owned by a man from Okinawa. So if you guys have been following my channel, then you'll see that I went to Okinawa in December, January. So we had a few drinks and then we called it a night. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.